Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we're going to talk about whether you can see who viewed your Instagram profile. There is a method that people talk about, and I will show you how it works. First, open Instagram and go to your profile page. After that, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, a menu will open. Now, scroll down until you find the Blocked option and tap on it. After opening the blocked section, tap on the small plus icon. Here, you will see a list of accounts that Instagram suggests you could block. Some people believe this list shows accounts that may have viewed your profile more often or recently. That is why these accounts appear in the suggestions. And that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.